Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So hopefully today's just a quick little video. So as you guys can see, I had the battery out the car. So today we're actually going to take it to AutoZone, try to get a battery for this car and hopefully get it to start, because it's kind of just been sitting here in the garage, like collecting a lot of dust and stuff. So we're going to try to go ahead and get in the car and go to AutoZone and see if we can get this car back on the road. Yeah, so in case you guys don't know, like what happened with the car was basically like me and my wife went out, we went to go get some food, and we were getting on the on-ramp, and for whatever reason the car just kind of like was like acting like it didn't want to go anywhere. And then bada bing bada boom, like I put the car in neutral because it was acting weird, and then as we're coasting it just kind of died. And like I could tell, like there were some signs that the battery was going, like the starts were kind of getting like longer, and it didn't really seem like it had that much power. But I was like, if I take it for a drive, a long drive or whatever, then the alternator will kick in, charge the battery, yada yada yada. Obviously should have just put it on the trickle charger from the jump, but hey, you live and you learn. So anyway, like I said, as we're coasting, the car just dies, and ever since then I haven't been able to start it. So I've been talking to my dad and trying to figure out what's going on with this thing, and basically we both came to the conclusion that it's probably just like a dead cell in the battery, like because like I said, I've literally charged the battery, and like it says that the battery's fine and everything, and I'll go to start the car like 2 times and it'll drop from being green to yellow. So pretty sure like it's just the battery's just gone. So like I said, we're gonna head to AutoZone. We're gonna try to swap out this battery, and I'm also gonna order some new spark plugs, like not in this video, but I will order some spark plugs. Like I said, hopefully like switching this battery will let the car at least start, and that'll kind of let me know where I'm at. If not, then honestly I'm probably just gonna have to like send it up to my boy Yoshi at Neptune Speed up in Huntington Beach, and just see like if he can figure out what's going on with it, because at this point I've pretty much tried everything I can do like myself. So yeah, like I said, we'll see where this goes. Alright guys, and just like that, we got a battery in the back seat. You guys probably can't see it because angles, but yeah, we got a new battery, and like I said, I'm really hoping that this is the problem. Like it just needs to be replaced, and then we're smooth sailing from here. I was like I said, I don't want you guys to get the wrong idea. Like I absolutely love this car. It's just that a lot of other things have been happening. Like as you guys know, I just paid for the MV, so you're probably like, why'd you pay all that like money for the MV if you needed to sort your car out? But I just didn't want to have to worry about the headache and like having to like get the MV out anymore. I was just like, I'm just gonna pay it now. And then like I said, this whole thing with the car happened, and I was just kind of like I was just mentally exhausted from all the problems that have been happening. So that's exactly why. So yeah, like this car has been like amazing to own. Like I don't want you guys to like misinterpret like what I'm saying. Like I absolutely love this car. Like I just didn't want to really deal with it at the time, like when everything happened. So yeah. But yeah, like I said, it's been a great car to me. I haven't really had any issues with it. Like I've had very small like incidents with the car. Like honestly, most of the stuff that's happened with the car has been like other people like messing up the car. Like you know, like the whole thing where like the Rx8 got hit when I was at class. Like, I mean, like I said, I go to class, I come out, and my car is like halfway through the freaking parking lot because someone decided to drag it with their truck, you know, because they couldn't see it or they cut too early, whatever the case may be. But yeah, like I said, it's been a great car to own. Like I said, I just really want to get my car back on the road and drive my car. Like, you know, there's nothing wrong with, you know, driving wifey's car, but, you know, I like my own stuff. All right, guys, so now is the moment of truth. So we got to put this, jeez, this is a big ass fucking battery. I don't know why it's so damn heavy, but yeah, I guess it just needs this big of a battery. But we're gonna go ahead and throw this in, and Jesus, this is heavy. But yeah, we're gonna throw this in, and like I said, hopefully this fixes the problem. Like, I have no idea, but we're just hoping and praying at this point. All right, boys, she's in, all nice and secure, and now it is time. Now it is time to try and start this car. After all this time, I am literally hoping. They said, hopefully this is it. Ooh. Oh, seems like it might be. All right, let's try it one more time. I said, just hoping and praying, hoping and praying. Well, looks like it's probably not it. I mean, I can smell all the fumes coming out, but it looks like that's not it. So at this point, it looks like I'm probably gonna have to just try to swap out the spark plugs. So I'll just have to order some real quick, and then hopefully that's it. Because if not, then it has to go up north, and I really don't want to have to send it up north again because it's a pretty expensive tow, and yeah. So yeah, all in all, put a new battery and still doesn't want to start. So I guess we'll find out. Yeah, I guess we'll find out from Yoshi what's gonna happen with this if the spark plugs don't work. So yeah, always keep your stuff on a battery tender, and yeah, then you don't have to worry about these problems. So with that being said, thank you guys for coming on this little adventure with me. It was kind of like unexpected. I didn't like think I was gonna shoot a video, but I figured why not. Yeah, so next video we'll probably end up trying to do the spark plugs. If that doesn't work, then it'll be getting sent off eventually. But yeah, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what I can do better, and I really appreciate you guys. Welcome to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you. Come back for the next couple videos, and follow on this wonderful Rx8 journey with me. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Peace.